Chemical engineering is concerned with both the design of products and with processes to produce, transform and transport materials and energy. It impacts on every aspect of our day-to-day life and on the grand challenges facing society, such as climate change, urbanisation and healthcare. At Sheffield, we produce chemical engineering graduates equipped to tackle these challenges and more.
So, this is one of the lecture theatres here in the Diamond. It seats about 400 people. Lecture theatres are particularly important and 60% of our timetable is made up of lecturing. The rest is split between labs and tutorials. The university provides state-of-the-art audiovisual facilities, but this lecture theatre in particular provides 3D projection.
So this is the Moonscape. This is where you'll carry out your independent work with friends or on your own. There's also more space available in the information commons, so you'll never really struggle for a spot. The university also offers plenty of study support services should you ever need any help.
This is an example of the computer suites in Diamond. As you can see, we have a lot of computers here. All of them are well equipped, and you're going to be spending a lot of time working on the technical side of chemical engineering here. You're going to be working on programs such as MATLAB, which is used for programming and algorithm development. You've got Aspen for process simulation software, as well as AutoCAD for equipment designing.
This is one of the labs that we use here at the University of Sheffield. Practical work is an important aspect of the course. We get to use specialised labs in the first 2 years, and this will lead up to an independent research project at the end of the 4-year MEng course.
The thing I most enjoyed about my degree was being able to tailor it to what I wanted to do in 3rd and 4th year, being able to pick my own modules and choosing where I'd like to direct my learning towards was really, really enjoyable and made me feel like it was a more personal degree to myself.
Especially with the different styles of teaching, so whether it's group work, working with chemical engineers on a design project or on a research project, or even the Global Engineering Challenge where we worked with other engineers from different disciplines on a week-long project, which was really interesting, getting to know how different engineers function and what part you play in an interdisciplinary environment.
On my year abroad, I went to University at Buffalo, which is in New York, and I studied topics such as metabolic engineering, biochemical engineering and materials science. I also did a research project which was on electrochemistry, and that had a lot of materials processing, so it was a unique experience where I got to learn the theories in the lecture of materials science and then apply that in the labs where I synthesize catalysts. It has helped me to build my confidence in adapting to different environments, and I don't think I would have gotten that experience if I hadn't gone abroad.
As an international student, my experience in Sheffield has been very good so far. Everyone here is very warm and welcoming, and I think that any international student would feel welcome here. Other than my degree, I've gotten very involved with the Women in Engineering Student Society. I've also done some ambassadorial work under the Chemical Engineering Department. I think that all these activities have not just enabled me to meet new people, but to enhance my employability as well.
I've been involved in a lot of voluntary work. I've helped build homeless shelters, distributed food. I've also had a part-time job at a cafe and also been involved in sports societies such as basketball. This has all helped me balance leisure and work in the university. My advice to international students is to just come to Sheffield, because we are international and we are diverse, and you will feel part of the family and you will belong here.
Chemical engineers are problem solvers, and at Sheffield the course develops these skills through innovative teaching and group-based project work. Many of our graduates find employment in key sectors such as energy, chemicals, pharmaceuticals or consumer goods. In addition, others go on to further study, such as for a PhD, and others transfer into other fields such as banking and finance. Investments such as the Diamond building mean that Sheffield has the most advanced engineering teaching facilities in the UK, making Sheffield a truly fantastic place to study chemical engineering.